15 reasons why real estate is your best investment. Let's step through these 15 reasons. I think it's really important that you understand why I'm giving you these 15 reasons, because real estate leads to being a millionaire. 90% of all millionaires are millionaires through real estate. "15 reasons why real estate is your best investment." Reason number one, real estate rarely loses value. It's one of the safest investments in the world because over time, historically, real estate has always maintained its value. What does that mean? When you invest in real estate, most of the time it goes up. Not like investing in gold or silver where it fluctuates, and don't get me wrong, there are up and down real estate markets. But historically, real estate has always maintained its value. Reason number two, appreciation. Real estate naturally appreciates over time. Neighborhoods, towns, cities are all improving the neighborhoods, the towns, in order to make it a better shared experience for people. Through that effort, you have natural appreciation of your real estate, and that is the second reason why it's so important to invest in real estate. Reason number three is forced appreciation. You can actually increase your appreciation by forcing it. It's called forced appreciation, as just mentioned, and how that's done is by forcing improvements on your property. For example, if you need new windows, you replace the windows. That forces an increase in value of your property. By changing the siding or the roofing or landscaping your property, you're forcing appreciation on your property, which is something that you can't do in the stock market, which is reason number three and why real estate is your best investment. Reason number four is tax benefits. When you own real estate, you can actually put yourself in business. But if you're not in business, you immediately get tax benefits and write-offs from the expenses on that property, the mortgage interest, the property taxes, and all of those expenses are a write-off against that investment. Anytime you buy real estate, you get the tax benefits, and why reason number four is so beneficial. Reason number five is real estate can create passive income for life. There aren't many investments that will actually create passive income. All you have to do is figure out how much money you need to not drive out of the driveway every morning, invest in real estate, and create passive income. If you're making $10,000 a month and you want to replace that, put together a plan to buy enough real estate to give you $10,000 worth of passive income, and you can quit your job and start real estate investing. Reason number six, real estate is supported through many market cycles. It usually bounces back. There are some cases in history, very, very rare. And as I said, real estate always maintains its value and is supported by many different market cycles. One cycle may be real estate, one cycle may be industrial, one cycle may be commercial. Weather the cycles and you will always be successful in real estate. Reason number seven, real estate has a price range. It's negotiable. How many times have you went in and your stockbroker says the shares are $17, but you can handle with me and get it down to 12. You rarely hear that in the stock market. There is no negotiation. But in real estate, you can actually negotiate the price. And one of the reasons why you want to invest in real estate. Reason number eight, in many instances, you always have to raise money. In real estate, because it maintains value and has such an outstanding historical data, it's rather easy to raise funding for real estate. And that is a main reason number eight on why real estate is one of your best investments. Reason number nine, real estate is refinanceable. What does that mean? That means you get to pull your money out. If you buy a property for $100,000 and you put $20,000 down, and one day that property appreciates and is worth $150,000, you can refinance. You could actually refinance for $100,000 and take your deposit out. And that's the beauty of real estate, because you can refinance after the value increases. Reason number 10, other people pay for your investment. What's better than that? You buy the investment, you put your money down, you provide an opportunity for people to live or rent your place, and they pay for your investment. What's better than that? Then reason number 10 on why to get in real estate. Reason number 11, real estate's tangible. You can't reach in and touch your stock. You could drive to your real estate. You could walk through that real estate, enjoy that real estate, show that real estate. And that's why I like real estate. And reason number 11, because real estate is tangible. Reason number 12, easily insurable. Because of the value, insurance companies insure your property, title companies insure your property, and that's why number 12 is important. It's easily insurable, just as long as you don't buy it in a flood zone. Reason number 13, it's easily transferable to your kids. How many times do I hear you say, I want to build a legacy? Well, your real estate portfolio is your legacy for your children. Keep that in mind. That's another reason why you want to buy real estate. And we're rounding off with 14 and 15. 14 is why real estate. Real estate is actually diversification. Believe it or not, you may not know, because all you hear is diversification in the stock market. They tell you buy some mutual funds, buy some stocks, diversify in different sectors. Real estate is a natural diversification. Every property is different. Every neighborhood is different. And what does that do? That gives you natural diversification. And reason number 15, it's not that hard to get rid of it. So you can sell real estate rather easy. Real estate is transactional. There's thousands of real estate agents. And these are the 15 reasons why you want to get into real estate and why real estate is your best investment moving forward. If you want to find out more about how to master real estate investing, check out the Modern Wealth Building Formula at kenvanliew.com. Take action today and make it a great day.